Grapes. Glass. Plastic. Still, be careful. So, parang wait, kaya ito? Hamak ko na siyang matibay. Ito na guys, binag ko na lang para It's nice. Tastes like grapes. Guys, yung ating pork na nilito sa air fryer. What's wrong? Tayo mag-grocery. Sa harap daw ang ating ate. Pwede naman na siya. 12 na siya. Hi.
You said you couldn't come because you were soaking yesterday. Weren't you? Oh, I'm tired.
I want to go home.
There's no shoes.
I don't want to buy anything. Oh, cut. Cut. Big cut.
Baby's cat. Margaret's cat.
And we're going to the range. I'm gonna look for Trace. Hi. Maano guys, umulan pero hindi ganun kalamig. 12 degrees, isn't it? Naka one layer lang tayo. Pero long sleeve.
Nurse asked me a question last night.
What is it? Come on. Going. We're going to the range. Hey, Kayla. She said also to the old lady yesterday, hi! Bigat naman yan. Hi! So, she's waving also. So friendly naman. Dami nilang plants. Say here. Oops, be careful. Makadali pa. $20% off? Magkano na lang kaya? If they are 20% off, how much are they now? 348. If you're gonna put
20% less than they were.
because if you want the long pot outside,
Come to Papa.
you better get some flowers. 5 more minutes. Hintayin na natin, guys. Is it open now? Open na pala. Let's go na. Oh, you can have this in the front. Oh, this one too. Right on the front. How much is it? 49? Kasi metal. Ay, be careful, Isoy. Ay, this is nice, oh. 79. Plastic. Bakit naman ito? Okay, spot. Meron tayo niyan. Wala pang straw yung kanila. Oh, halika na, huwag kayo sana babasag. Si Kayla. Come, halika na. Kayla. Galing naman. Nice. Oh, be careful. The glass.
The plastic.
Still, be careful. 64. Cute naman, dilaw. Ito maganda. Nako-fold. Sabi ko kay Mr. dapat nako-fold. Kaso parang tibay kaya to? Hamak ko naman siyang matibay. Hindi kita kita. 100. 6 pieces. 100. Liit. Small. These are big. Ang mahal na. Hindi na natin kailangan ng ganyang kalalaki. So big. Sabihin mo muna Kayla, monkey. Kayla, sabihin mo, monkey. Kayla, look. That's elephant.
Kailangan rin ng kapatid ng monkey ko.
Dali na. Bigay mo.
Kukuha,
Bigay mo kay
kukuha
Kayla.
tayo, ma?
Mahal, 5-6 pound, oh. What is that, Kayla? Kayla, what is that? What is that? Back. Very good. Ang galing ni Kayla. Very good. What the monkey says? Kayla? Say it. Maki. Wala guys. Wala yung gusto ko. Wow. May boom. Okay. Okay. Baby. Your baby also. You sleepy?
Baby!
Yeah, baby.
Baby!
Thank you. Oh, oh dear. In? Inside? Thank you. Grapes. Don't drop it. Don't drop.
Don't go yet.
Yeah, grapes later. Grapes, 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 grapes. Go. Careful. Show me. Okay. I think they're all the same. Sayo. Say. So we're home and nawala yung ating magnet ng mic ng DJI. Pero umorder ako sa Amazon. Kung nag-visit na ng kakahanap, sabi ko kay Mr. Siya naman ang mawawala ng pera. So, bili tayo. 15.59. Dalawa na yun, yung square. But anyway, kaya na muna. So, nakabili tayo ng fairy. Ito chicken. Kalimutan pa. Sabi ko kay Mr. Hindi ako magluluto eh. Bubuisit ako. Bahala ka kung di ka bibili ng chicken. Kaya bumalik pa siya. Wala siyang choice sa aking tantrums. Isn't it? We got donut. Ah, she open it. Yan pa. Give that to ate. Clip. Hair clip. Napakialaman na. But, yeah, she's doing the shopping haul ng ating baby. So, ang ating chicken, isang buo to, roast. 6.95 pa. And then, 250 na avocado. Donut, 1 pound. Pumili din tayo nito. 89 lang to. Naipit ka na naman. You trap your fingers again. Sit. Meron tayong taga-shopping haul. I have a helper. 89 lang to. Hindi ako nakabili ng tray. Bili tayo ng glass, guys. Kasi si Mr. ang hilig-hilig sa glass na manipis. Ito, at least makapal-kapal to. 85 PH ang ating glass. Do that later.
Wake up, Mama.
What's that? A lotion? Put it on your face. Sunblock?
Sunscreen.
Put it on your face then. On your face. Is that okay? Who wants it?
So you can do it.
Yeah, this is a bit expensive, but they can have it sometimes only.
I don't mind again. I just said,
50.
oh, they're expensive.
Yeah, they're for them. You want some tea?
60.
How much is this?
It's mine.
Yeah, how much is that?
£7.50.
Is this what Laura have? That's nice.
That was £3.
Oh, expensive too.
No, that was £3. The other one was
Seven.
£7.50 or whatever.
Ang sarap kasi ito, guys. Binilhan tayo ni Mr. ng bagong tea. It's nice. Ito yung meron sa anak niya eh. Also, the cheese that they have there, but they are from Sainsbury's. Lasang cheese whiz, yung cheese last time. You know, that yellow cheese that they have last time we do the barbecue. Tastes like Philippine cheese. Apple. Alright! No, yan. Pork yan, pork. Oh, we got pork.
I'm going to try one of these with butter.
480. What is that? Not that, not that. Go in the other one. Get your ano. Eh, dirty na yung hands mo. So, we got mince. We got pork. I'm gonna cook them.
Killer.
I think she's folding it.
You try it?
What is that?
You like? What? You don't like?
Gagawa ko ng longganisa pang baon. And put this back. And the freezer. I'm not gonna cook this. It's okay. I'll do it.
So that put up. At the moment, what I'm gonna do. So you want a cup of tea? Yeah?
Okay.
Which cup? This will be your
Ay!
rooster.
I can... The bee. Mm-hmm. Thank you, Papa. Papa.
No, I'm busy making my tea.
Tea, she says. I'll try it. It's nice. Tastes like grapes.
Hmm?
Tastes like grapes.
You like that?
It's nice. Is this for them? For school? No school tomorrow.
Whatever.
Ah, this is bad na. The straw.
Yeah. So, this is something I don't understand. When they used to come with plastic straws, they used to keep them. Now they come with cardboard straws that don't last the length of the drink.
Yeah.
It's pointless having them.
Hi! What? It's wrong. That's it. Don't kill. Mahal din akong ano po. Ang tawag yan? Capture. Hindi eh. Once in a blue moon.
Tama mo yun dyan.
Cut na lang natin. Ba't may nakalawet? Naiwan. So, ligpitin na natin to. Mag-ano ako kari-kari. Ito pala mapakuluan ko na kasi ilasalang ko yun sa air fryer. Favorite yun guys ni Mr. Kari-kari. Kaya, naluluto ako. Pag nakakabili ako nitong pak choy, nabili ako nun. But anyway, pakuluan na natin. Ilabas na natin. Where is it? Ito. So, ito ang gagawin kong kari-kari. Yung ribs, bumili tayo ng ribs kasi yun naman ay gustong-gusto nila para sa barbecue. Hello, my love. I'm not finished yet. Oh dear. Bigat naman ang anak ko. Oh, I can smell the sunblock. Sunscreen on you. Yeah. You have here, there. You want some? Do you want some? Yeah, I need to do that, okay? Are you go down? Papa make some tea. I'm gonna put some milk on it.
No.
Yes, we have to put some milk. So, yan lang guys, ang ating mga grocery. Yan. Tsaka yun, mga drinks. Tinapay, 3. Nilagay na ni Mr. sa freezer. Tsaka pizza. Tapos yan, wet goods. Yan. Tsaka ribs. Nilagay ko na sa freezer din. But anyway, yan lang. Liligpitin muna natin ang ating messy kalat. Okay, I'll get you some. You sit down. You want berry. Okay. Hilig talaga siya sa guys, blueberries. Blueberries is life sa ating baby. Thank you. You okay? Put it here. Lagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon ng sugar yung aking tea. Sarap to meron. Ganda ng kulay. Lagay na natin guys itong ating pork. Papakuluan. Tayo na guys. Slice ko lang. dahil sa magnet sila ang sa pag-grocery. Guys. Hey. Like your food.
Kaya, yung baso mo.
Like your chicken. It's nice. Nanonood na naman ng Rachel ating baby. Snack tayo, guys. It's 3 p.m. 3:30 pala. Tayo mag-dinner
Leave
lang.
your bag in and take it out.
There's no feeling.
Same. Very little.
Like,
Yeah.
what
If
do you
leave
want?
your bag in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, ito na guys, yung ating pork na pinakuluan. So, bali, isasalang ko to sa ating air fryer. At, para maging crispy. Hindi na ako mag-frito. Hindi na ako magpiprito-prito. Pero, ilagay ko siya sa tray. Dito natin lagay. Para, hindi siya nakadirect sa ating air fryer. Uy, kumikit. So, ayan. Itong ating air fryer na bagong binili ni Mr. is dalawa itong hindi mo salaman na pareho. Prakasya na siya sa isa. Kaya, sa isa lang. Ilang para hindi masunog. And then,
The big black monster's coming out of the shed.
what?
The big black monster's coming out of the shed.
Coming out?
Yeah,
Coming in?
ready for next Saturday.
Oh,
And then I can put the under in
why?
the,
How many degrees?
I can put the under in there to work on it.
What one? The off-road bike?
Yeah.
Di na talaga guys, gumana yung aking di ba? Food processor. Di mo na kami bumili ni Mr. Sabi ko, pwede na muna itong aking maliit na pagtsagaan. Kakagiling din naman to. Kaso nga lang, pag carrots, pag marami, isinati-hati ko. Kaya, medyo matagal pag siomay siguro. Pero hindi pa ako mag-siomay. Pero siguro bukas, pupunta naman kami sa Asian store para makapamili ng kaming rice. Sayang sa mga reason, parang sale yung kanilang rice sa Master. Kaso, bus na, sold out. Siyempre pag sale, may Asian outlet talaga ng rice yan. Because rice is life, diba? Anyway, let's do this na. So, ito na talaga yung pinakagala namin pag weekends. Mamili sa grocery shopping. Mag-shopping ng stock for a week. So, sana magluto lahat. Kaso, tatamad na hapon na kasi. Pero, nakatok ang ating baby. So pretty. Hi! So, hindi naman pala uulamin guys ang kare-kare tunay. Ang papaubos ko is yung ating natirang chicken mushroom. Tapos, natira namin chicken kanina. Sayang yun, paano hindi nakain ang sira. Malilimutan na naman ang malilimutan. Sinong nilagay sa rep tapos mapapanis or mabubulok. Okay na siguro itong garlic. Isang buo na to eh. Hindi na to. Dapat kanina pa talaga ako mag-ulit. Kaso, nag-charge ako ng battery o na-distract. Pagka-charge ko ng battery ng battery ay isip back ko ng mga kwarto, hagdan, kasi ang hagdan ay tapos, yan, buong bahay na dito sa baba. So, na-distract tayo. Apron na nga ako kasi hindi ko aking haluin. Natatamad pa akong magbihis. Paprika, tantiameter, at makulay. Tapos chili yung kulay. Black pepper. Ito pala cornstarch. Wait lang. Ang brown sugar ay nasa ganito lang kasi ito ay aking pinag-debate ko. Wala akong lagay. Oh, matapamis. Teaspoon itong gamit ko. Mas feel na feel ko mag-mix bago naman loves. Kaya gusto ko lang mag-loves ang sobrang dry. Thank you. Bait naman ang batang are. So, cling wrap ulit guys ang ating gagamitin pang balot. And, uy! Gagamitin ko na itong aking nabiling ice cream scooper sa Donel. Hindi talaga siya pang ice cream na kaya ako bumili ang purpose. Ito talaga ay panggagawa natin ng meatballs. So, ngayon, ipang i-scoop ko din siya para iisang sizes ba? Bakit na itong gunting na? Kung alin yung wala ko, yun yung mapuro na gunting. Isang ano yun? Prepare mo ng takal. Diba? Oo, galing. Tama, galing. May ko yung sopa. Napadami na tayo ng sopa. Ayan na guys. Ayan, masyado yata wala. Ay, nitukok pala. Yung nitukok. Maliit pa yan. Mama needs to cook first, okay? Finish! 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 Ilan nagawa natin guys? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lang. Hindi ko na lang sa 6 pack.
14 pounds. And they didn't have any of that. Wait a minute.
So again, free delivery, 20 pounds.
No, still pay £5 delivery. And then I bought some Jack Daniels.
Mura kasi guys, ang rice sa Morrison, nakita namin kanina, parang 4 pound something. Basta ganon. And then 5 kilo na yun. And then yung binibili kasi namin, parang 12. So balik pa pa ng 6 pound ang 5 kilo, diba? Ang 12 siya. Kaya sabi ko kay Mr. magtingin siya online kasi baka merong delivery, baka merong silang available na rice online. Meron daw. Pero you have to pay for delivery. Nag-order siya ng kung ano. So, ito na guys, binag ko na lang para mabilis. Magluluto na lang yung kanila. Kasi hindi ko itong ating ano ay okay na. Okay, tapos na okay. I think that's enough siguro. Tayo mag-ano na guys, magluto na. Mga kari-kari. Dito ko na lang lutuin sa atin guys. Ito na guys, yung ating pork na niluto sa air fryer. What's wrong? Naipit ka? So, mukha naman siyang crispy. You want to sit here with Mama? Yeah. Ang bawang agad. Ay! Ay, sunod naman. Sunod lang. Ito guys, yung ating pinagpakuluan ng pork. So, hindi tayo ganito talaga guys, mag-kare-kare. Pero dahil nga naluto na sa air fryer yung ating pork, okay na yan. Pakuluin lang natin yan. Talagang ganitong aswete para tumulong. Ang mga aswete dito. Talagang ilang peanut. Gulay. Wala tayong rice flour. Dapat pala malis ako mga kailangan din sa Asia. Kasi kailangan ko ng rice flour. Pero wala tayo na ubos. Excuse me? Kaya cornstarch na lang. Starch. Your head. Dali niyo ako. Your head, Your head. Yan, nakulo na. Tayo yung lagay na ng aswete. Nakulagay. Lalagay ako ng cubes. Baglasa. Pero half lang kadalasan yung aking nilalagay kasi wala ng ating baby. Di ako masyado naglalagay ng pagkalasa sa mga lutuin. Patis, lang. Konti. Kalasa. Ay, ang init. Ba na habang nagluto? Talaga ba na sila? Ay. Galante tayo sa ano guys. Sa peanut. Lagyan ko na yung ating beans para siya ay yung padadagdagan ng butter. Okay na yan. Hindi na pala natin ang lasa. Nalagay na natin guys ng ating pork. Okay. Sa akin, ginumpit-kupit ko pala yan. Para maliliit lang siya. Paano ko guys?